Malaysia is one of the best countries to study in Asia. So Malaysia is progressing. So if you're interested to study in Malaysia, I guess one of the best and prestigious scholarship is MTCP, that is Malaysian Technical Corporation Program. So if you're interested to study in Malaysia or somehow you're studying in Malaysia, then you can apply for this scholarship. I would say it's one of the prestigious one. Let's get started. If you have any previous record, just provide your passport number and the password. Otherwise, if you're fresh, just sign in. This scholarship only allow for master's level right now. So provide your passport number, then provide your password, confirm your password, provide your email address, and the email address needs to be valid, and then provide your date of birth. And then next, provide your nationality. Once you're done, just hit the registration button. Then you will see the passport or my card number successfully registered. Go to the login page to apply. Now, provide your passport number, provide the password that you given. Now you are successfully able to log in, right? What do you next to do? Next, there are a few sections that you need to fill up all the information for that. So let's try. First of all, full name, then gender, expiry date of your passport. Make sure this expiry date is based on your passport. Then religion, marital status, number of children, mailing and communication address. You need to provide your mailing address. Here you need to provide your official name, for example, John Doe, address, zip code, then country. I provide the Malaysian address. If you live in some other country, you just provide your country address. Nothing wrong with that. Then provide your telephone number if you have. Then choose the application postal address. If you feel that, okay, you have a different address to notify you once it's approved or failed, then put it that, otherwise same as above. Then emergency contact person. So you need to provide an emergency contact person in case they cannot reach to you. So what do you need to do? Mr. X, select relation, phone number, email address, Mr. X at address, and the country. Just provide the proper country for that person, then save it. Okay, I forgot to put the state. Selangor. Now save it. Okay, that's official telephone number is required. Seems that. Why not I just copy? Telefax shouldn't be required. Same goes for that. Sorry. Phone number, home. Mobile is important, I guess. That's right. Even home is also important. Now let's try. Selangor. So one of the weird things of this application form is that they don't refer which field is required. For example, normally people put something like star mark. These fields are required, so you must put your information, otherwise you're not able to submit the application. Anyways, maybe you will face the same problem like me. So one more thing, I forgot to inform you that this email address, make sure that email address is valid and this belongs to you. Otherwise you will face trouble. Once you've done everything, save it. So this basic information we have done so far. Then academic background. What you need to do? First of all, you need to provide the academic background. For example, add one. Since I'm applying for masters, so name of the institute, IIUM for example, field of the study, engineering, place of the study, Malaysia, level, masters, year of study, maybe 2021 to 20. Level of the study, bachelor, year, probably 2016 to 2022. CGPA 3.5 out of 4. Save. If you have more, of course you have more. For example, HSC. Save. And the same way you need to provide SSC, or that's called O level. HSC is considering to A level. Okay, now what's next? Academic and financial award. They mentioned something. If you have any kind of academic or financial award over the last 3 years, you just add. For me, maybe I don't have, but I can just mention one thing to show you how it's need to fill up. For example, 2020, I got the best student award, studentship, probably. Save. That's it. Other activity. Do you have any other co-curricular activities? Just add there. For example, save it. What's next? If you have more, just add more and more. Previous residence in foreign country, click on that. Yes, Bangladesh. And year until 2016, I was there. So somehow it's proved that I'm from the beginning living there. Have you participated in any training program in Malaysia? If you have participated in any training program during the study or whatever you just mentioned, otherwise leave it empty, then save it. If you have any kind of attachment like certificate or anything, just prove it. Otherwise, unfortunately, it's required to provide a certificate. So what I can do here, I will just fake something, simple copy, upload it, save. What next? Have you participated in any short course in Malaysia? Yeah, I would say no, maybe. If you want, or if you have any kind of short course, you just go there. Same way, year, name of the organizer, and program name, then at the end of the day, attachment. Alright, next thing is present job. So here you need to explain one question. So they're asking, are you going back to your present job after finishing your study or scholarship? So you need to inform that either yes or no, but I would say it's yes, because yeah, that is kind of like positive. Currently you are studying, gathering knowledge, and at the end of the day, once you're done, you want to go back and serve your country. Otherwise, if you don't like, yes, provide no, but in that case, you need to explain what will be your job, next job, such kind of stuff. For me, yes. And declaration, have you been convicted in court law in any country? I would say no. I don't have any record. If you have, just mention that. And the next thing is save. What's next? Application info. You need to provide the academic application info. For example, I'm applying for master's. Course applied. Maybe engineering. Maybe computer science. That's suitable. Name of the university in Malaysia. If you haven't taken admission yet in Malaysia, so what you need to do, just choose the university name. For example, I put the IIUM. I put the UM, maybe I put the third option is UTM. The next things you need to provide the commencement date. It's kind of like starting date. I would say maybe I will try with January 2022 and maybe 1st of January. That's my plan. Then academic session is 2021, 2022, I guess. Yep. Then proficiency in language. So mother tongue is Bengali, Bhasa language, Neo. For example, if you have any kind of knowledge about Bhasa Malayo, so you just provide it. Then IELTS, yes. Okay, save. Once I've done, just hit the save button. The next things you need to provide the field of study. So here in the field of study, what you need to do, you need to provide your reason why you choose this particular subject and what is your career plan. So it should be, if you write here, not more than 5,000 character. So I would say you just write everything in a very simple way that, okay, you like this subject, this, and you want to be that. So therefore, you apply for this and you want to be successful this. All right, next things. Statement of intent. So here you need to, it's kind of like motivational statement. You need to tell them, okay, you are this, and you want to be this, that, and therefore you need this scholarship. And if you get this scholarship, you have a very good chance, and you are determined, and you can achieve that particular goal. Once done, save. Alright, the next thing is professional experience. This is important. If you have professional experience, it's considering that maybe you have a high priority to get the scholarship. So first thing, So current job, provide the job, year since 2021, title, select private, XYZ, monthly salary in USD, maybe in between 1,000 to 5,000. Describe your work including your personal responsibility. So you need to provide the responsibility. You have job responsibility, right, during your job. So maybe that's the things you just need to, that's the things you need to explain. All right, previous job, if you have any previous job, that's fine, otherwise skip it. For me, it's doing the same thing. Once you are in this stage, now you need to upload some forms. First of all, here are a lot of things you need to do. First, application form. So you can just go there and download this application form to see that's what's going on. So what you need to do, you just go there, download that form, print it out, and then put your photo, and then you need to have some signature over there, I guess. If you go there, probably, yeah, recommendation from an employee or dean. So maybe you are currently studying in a university, just go to your dean, then ask that you are applying for this particular scholarship, just signature here and put a chop. Otherwise, go to your employee, ask your boss to do that. That could be fine. And then once you have done, you just declare everything, sign, name and date. That's not belongs to you, you just skip it. Okay, once you have done, what you need to do, you'll just scan this form and first of all apply here. So choose your file. Then as the next things, a certificate copy of passport as evidence of nationality. Yes, same way you need to upload your passport. A certified copy of academic transcript. Yes, you need to provide that. What else? A certified copy of proof of English. As you mentioned that TOEFL or IELTS or other English proficiency you have, so what you need to do, you need to provide the certificate for English or whatever. Then you need to upload a curriculum vitae. That's important. So you need to create a CV in a nice way, then apply. That's it. Then what's next? Admission letter from Malaysian University, if applicable. Sometime, as I mentioned that you may able to apply for this scholarship even if you are currently studying in any university in Malaysia. So in that case, you need to provide this admission letter for this current university. Just attach this. So next things, you need to provide the 2 letter of recommendation. Yep. So you have a reference here, how it would be. So just click on the link, just go there. So what I recommend, just print it out this page, then fill up the information, then go fill all the information and go to academic referees. I personally prefer to take the reference from the academician if you have connected with them. Otherwise, you can go to your boss, colleagues who is senior than you. Just take the recommendation and put their name, all the signature, and if possible, put the chop over there. And once done, 2 of them, put it together and upload here. One important thing, make sure that the file size should not be more than 600 KB. Endorsement of the MTCP scholarship, is there any sample? Yep. If you go for age, you will be able to see that. What is that? Just go there, print it out, fill up, and put your signature, whatever is suitable in your site, and then upload this file. And then next thing is statement of intent that you mentioned in the previous form, that okay, why you want this scholarship and what is the why you are suitable for that scholarship. You need to upload this PDF file here. The same goes for me. And finally, medical report from MTCP scholarship. There is a one form. You can go up and you can able to see this J. So what you need to do, you just print it out, bring to your local doctor or medical, then ask them to check all the things and fill up the required things, and they put their name, signature, clinic, and chop. So you need to provide the name, age, gender, and the rest of the things. So what you need to do once done, scan this copy and upload. So once you have uploaded all the things, so what you need to do, next things is just check these two boxes. So you need to just provide your consent that you are agree with all the steps and things. Then next things is save. To confirm send to your application. So if you hit OK button, so it will send your application. Otherwise, you just cancel it. For me, just for testing purpose, I just save it for time being. So once you have done, so you may able to see a confirmation email in your inbox that okay, you have submitted successfully. Then further notification or any kind of update of your application, you may able to receive email in your inbox. Therefore, email is important. So what you need to do, you need to keep eyes on your email all the time. I hope you are able to do it now. If you have still any kind of question how to apply for that, why not you ask your question in the comment section and I will try to answer you as much as possible. All the best. Take care. Bye.